and destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. This storm was located near Milo, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Sulphur, Lone Grove, Tishomingo, Davis, Wynwood, Wilson, Stratford, Dixon, Roth, Mansville, Springer, Rabia, Wapanucka, Mill Creek, Milburn, Dory, Fitzhugh, Caney, and Adams. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no warning. Get to a storm shelter or sturdy building. If a tornado approaches, move inside a sturdy building until the storm has passed. Extremely damaging winds are expected. Take shelter now in a sturdy building and stay